Good morning, students. Today we will discuss activities from second chapter in companion book. These activities are very fascinating, engrossing, entertaining. So, student, our second chapter is for the people, by the people. In these activities, we discuss so many things here. First of all, I will explain why we need a government. You know, student, government is set up to take care of the needs and welfare of the people, and it divides its work in three categories: central government, state government and local government. Clear to all? So student, on this page, name the following people. You can paste pictures of the first chief minister and governor of your state in the given boxes. And now student, I am on page number 5 in second chapter for the people, by the people. It is a companion book. Name the following people. You can paste pictures of the first chief minister and governor of your state in the given boxes. Now, the first prime minister of India 1947 to 1964. So here you will write Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. Now, second, the first president of India 1950 to 1962, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. You should write it here. Now, third, the first vice president of India 1952 to 1962, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So you will write here Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. So student, in first Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, in second Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and third Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Now student, here you can paste pictures of the first chief minister and governor of your state in the given boxes. Here and here. Paste the picture. Now student, first, the first chief minister of your state, name of the state. So Rajasthan is our state. Name of the chief minister, first chief minister. Clear? Hiralal Sastry. 7th April 1949. Okay. So name the state Rajasthan. Name of the chief minister Hiralal Sastry. 7th April 1949. Now here the first governor of your state, name of the state Rajasthan, name of the governor Maharaja Mansingh II, 30th March 1949. The first governor of your state is Rajasthan, governor Maharaj Mansingh II, time period 30th March 1949. Done? Okay, move on. Next piece. It's a project time. Work in team and perform a role play to show how you would function as a government to resolve an issue. Work in team. We all know there is no team, we have no friend. So work individually, work in team and perform a role play to show how you would function as a government to resolve an issue. Okay, now first is think and list an issue problem that has to be resolved in your area. Think and list. एक इशू के बारे में, एक प्रॉब्लम के बारे में हमें सोचना है, उसे लिस्ट आउट करना है जिसे आप अपने एरिया से रिजॉल्व करना चाहते हैं. ओके, सो द इशू कुड बी, इशू कौन सा है? सो इशू इज awareness about the COVID-19. It is a big issue in present time. What is here? Awareness about the COVID-19. Okay, examples हैं इधर. No water supply, frequent power cuts, and potholes on the roads. No, we will select here awareness about the COVID-19. Okay, now second question. Write a script for a play to show how you would resolve this issue if you were the government. Write a script for a play. एक play के लिए हमें script लिखना है. To show how you would resolve this issue, ये जो issue हमने select किया awareness about the COVID-19, इसको हम issue if you were the government, अगर आप गवर्नमेंट में होते हो तो कैसे प्ले करके बताएंगे आप. Third question, assign roles and responsibility to each team members. So cut the two questions here, second and third. Now fourth question, perform the role play in class. आप क्लास में कैसे इसको परफॉर्म करेंगे. So student, write few points here. Be aware but don't panic. How to deal with coronavirus fears. Okay, so be aware but don't panic. How to deal with coronavirus fears. Point first, awareness. Second, cleanliness. Third, social distancing. Fourth, stay away from social media and up to the minute news. And fifth, occupy our mind with relaxing hobbies. Sixth, create a new routine. What are these? These are the script for a play. These are the main points we discuss and we play in front of the people. What are the topic? Awareness about the COVID-19. And how we play? First, banner, be aware but don't panic. How to deal with coronavirus fears? First point, awareness. Second point, cleanliness. Third point, social distancing. Fourth, stay away from social media and up to the minute news. Fifth point, occupy our mind with relaxing hobbies. And sixth point, create a new routine. These are the points and we play in front of the people. Got it? Okay. Now, third, I care. Just like our country has a government, your school too has a set of people who take care of the students. They frame rules and regulation to help them carry out their functions properly. Take what you would do in each of the following situation. What is here? Just like our country has a government. जैसे कंट्री में गवर्नमेंट है, वैसे ही हमारे स्कूल में कुछ लोग हैं, सेट ऑफ पीपल हैं हु टेक केयर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, जो स्टूडेंट्स की केयर करते हैं. दे फ्रेम रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, वो कुछ रूल्स बनाते हैं, रेगुलेशन बनाते हैं जिनकी सहायता से वो सारे फंक्शन जो स्टूडेंट्स के कंसर्न में होते हैं उन्हें प्रॉपर चलाते हैं. तो टेक व्हाट यू डू इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन. अगर आप फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन में हो तो आप क्या करेंगे. व्हाट यू डू इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन. फर्स्ट सिचुएशन इज, डू यू फॉलो इंस्ट्रक्शंस एंड और रिक्वेस्ट गिवन बाय योर टीचर एंड अदर सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स. लिसन केयरफुली स्टूडेंट्स. First situation is, do you follow instruction and or request given by your teacher and other senior student? Yes, always. Sometimes, only when someone is watching. No, never. अगर कोई टीचर, अगर कोई सीनियर स्टूडेंट्स आपको कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन बताते हैं तो क्या आप उन्हें फॉलो करते हैं. Yes, always. Sometime, only when someone is watching. No, never. Write your answer here, students. Now move on. Second question. Do you damage or scribble on school property such as desk, benches and the walls of your classroom? Do you damage? Yes, always. No, B, sometimes. C, only when no one is watching. D, no, never. So, student, give this answer yourself. It's your choice. Okay. What are you doing in following situation? First or second situation are there. Give the answer. Suitable answer. Choose a suitable answer here. Okay, students. Thank you so much to listening me.